Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer. First, gather your eggs and ensure they are at room temperature for best results. This simple method uses the circulating hot air to cook your eggs evenly, giving you a perfectly firm yolk and easy-to-peel shells. It's a fantastic way to prepare a batch for meal prep or a quick snack. Now, let's get those eggs ready. Carefully place your desired number of eggs, typically up to 12 large ones, directly into the air fryer basket. Make sure they are arranged in a single layer without touching too much. This allows the hot air to circulate freely around each egg, ensuring they cook uniformly and perfectly. Time to cook. Preheat your air fryer to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place the basket with the eggs inside. For a classic hard-boiled egg with a firm yolk, cook for approximately 13 to 17 minutes. If you prefer a slightly softer yolk, reduce the time by a minute or two. For a very firm yolk, add a minute or two. Once cooked, immediately transfer your eggs to an ice bath. Let them sit there for at least 5 minutes. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process and helps the shells peel away effortlessly. After cooling, gently tap and roll the eggs to crack the shell, then peel under cool running water. Enjoy your perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. Also, for some great deals and that awesome sock link, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.